Hello everyone, Chai here from ArmourUP, and today we will be doing an unboxing video for the Flow Pro Plus. Flow Pro Plus is the latest addition to the Flow family. It's 14 mm in amplitude. And it comes with 7 different attachment heads. Let's open it up. Not sure why everybody who does the unboxing video, they like to throw the box, so I also throw the box. Anyway, getting back to the point, for Flow Pro Plus, it comes with a lot of accessories. So if you are traveling around, it comes with its own travel bag. Travel bag is much smaller. It's just, let me show you. You can put the gun inside and the charger and basically all the attachment head, but it's a cloth bag. Easier for you to carry around and put it inside your bag. But of course, if you are traveling and you're flying, then this hard case here will be better. You can check in the gun, but remember to take out the battery and hold it with you. Just carry this on board, the battery, and you can check in the gun itself. And of course, it comes with instruction manual here, but we are not going to read that because I already know everything. Next, let's have a look at the gun itself. To slot in the battery, just slide it in and close it. That way the battery is in. And to take it out the same way, just press the side and pull. Easy. So it slots in a little bit like a magazine. For the Pro Plus itself, it comes with 7 different attachments. Let's go through it one by one. We'll go through the standard one first. First one, of course, is your bullet head. We also have the hammer head. Then the standard fork head. And the ball attachment. The 3 different additional attachment that comes with the Pro Plus is these 3. First of all, let's have a look at the wedge. This is called a wedge. It's flat. Normally we would like to use this on the scapula itself. This is very targeted. You can just put it straight into the scapula. And this is medium hard. Like this is harder, this is softer, this is medium. The ball head is harder, medium, and we have the super soft. Super soft head, you can use it on your more sensitive area, maybe a painful spot, or if you want, you can use on your bones or on your joint. This will be more comfortable. Or certain areas that is a little bit more painful, you might want to consider using this big ball head over here. The main difference between the Pro Plus and the Flow Mini and Pro 1 is the 14 mm in amplitude. The hardest hitting gun in the market right now is Terragun. It's currently hitting at 16. I would say that this is slightly in between Terragun and Flow Mini. So if you want something that hits a little bit harder and have a long battery life plus quiet, you can use the Flow gun. But of course, after using the Flow Mini for quite a while, this Flow Pro 1 is definitely much heavier. It weighs about 1.4 kg. It's the grip is also slightly bigger. Yep. If you want a smaller grip handle, you can always hold it lower. That's what I like to do. And to slot in the head, same thing, just push it in, give it a little twist, just make sure that it don't come off. Comes with 3 speed, speed 1 at 1800 RPM, speed 2 at 2400, speed 3 is 3200, 200 RPM faster than the Flow Mini. And lastly, we have the flow mode. So flow mode starts from speed 1 and goes up to speed 3, then it keeps repeating itself. For the sound wise, I would say that this is around 55 to 65 decibels. Great for office use if you are at home and you are watching TV. You can use this and you still can make a conversation with someone. I highly recommend you to get the Pro Plus if you are someone who likes a very deep tissue kind of massage. This Pro Plus itself is definitely powerful and strong enough for you. It comes with a store force of 60 pounds. So meaning that when you press in, the gun won't stop so easily. But of course you still can stop it, but it's not that easy to stop. Especially if you are using on your muscle itself, you can apply quite a bit of force before the gun actually stops. That's all for today's unboxing video of the Pro Plus. And if you have any question, do leave a comment down below and we will get back to you. Also, this is available on your local distributor in your country. Let them know if you want it and we will get it to you as soon as possible. And thank you so much for watching and stay safe, take care, bye bye.